Mark your calendars because NEET PG 2025 is officially scheduled for June 15, 2025. With just a few months left, thousands of medical graduates across India are gearing up for one of the most competitive exams of their career. But cracking NEET PG isn't just about scoring high. It's about securing a seat in the right medical college that shapes up your future as a specialist. In this video, we are going to talk about first, why NEET PG is so crucial for your medical career. Second, how to choose the best college for your specialization. Third, the top 5 medical colleges for NEET PG 2025 and their cutoffs. And fourth, proven strategies to boost your preparation and rank. So if you're aiming any top institutions, this video will help you make informed decisions and stay ahead in the race. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, let's discuss why is it so important to choose the right medical college. Selecting the appropriate medical college for your specialization is crucial for several reasons. First, quality of education and training. Top colleges offer rigorous academic programs and extensive clinical exposure, ensuring you develop the necessary skills and knowledge. Second, research opportunities. Institutions with robust research facilities provide avenues to engage in groundbreaking studies, enhancing your expertise and contributing to medical advancements. Third, career prospects. Graduating from a reputable college can open doors to esteemed positions in hospitals, academia, and research organizations, both nationally and internationally. And fourth, networking. Being part of a prestigious institution allows you to connect with leading professionals and peers, fostering collaborations and professional growth. So when you're evaluating medical colleges, consider the following factors. First, reputation and academic excellence. Research the institution's history, achievements, and standing in the national ranking. For instance, according to NIRF 2024, AIIMS New Delhi holds the top position among medical colleges in India. Second, faculty and mentorship. Assess the qualification and experience of the teaching staff, as their guidance is pivotal in shaping your medical expertise. Third, research opportunities and infrastructure. Examine the availability of research projects and technological resources that facilitates advanced learning and innovation. And now finally, it's time to take a closer look at the top 5 medical colleges in India. First, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS New Delhi. Established in 1956, AIIMS Delhi is renowned for its excellence in medical education, research, and patient care. It consistently ranks as the top medical college in India. AIIMS offer a wide range of postgraduate courses with state-of-the-art facilities and exposure to a diverse patient population. Securing a seat in AIIMS New Delhi is highly competitive. For instance, in INI-CET January 2021 session, the cutoff rank for unreserved category candidate was 3036, corresponding to a percentile of 95.582. Second, Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, Chandigarh. PGIMER Chandigarh is a premier institute offering high-quality education and training in various medical specialties. It is known for its rigorous academic environment and excellent clinical exposure. The institute provides a range of postgraduate courses with a strong emphasis on research and patient care. Admission to PGIMER is highly sought after, with cutoff ranks varying by specialty and category. Third, Christian Medical College, Vellore. Founded in 1900, CMC Vellore is recognized for its commitment to medical service, education, and research. It has a reputation for producing skilled medical professionals dedicated to ethical practice. CMC offers diverse postgraduate programs with a focus on holistic patient care and community health. Admission to CMC Vellore is competitive with required ranks depending on the chosen specialty and category. Fourth, Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research, Pondicherry. JIPMER is an autonomous institute known for its high standards in medical education and research. It offers a conducive environment for learning with modern facilities. The institute provides various postgraduate courses with a strong emphasis on research and comprehensive clinical training. Cutoff ranks for JIPMER vary annually based on the number of applicants and the difficulty level of the entrance exam. And last but not the least, Sri Guru Ram Das Institute of Medical Sciences and Research, SGRD, Amritsar. SGRD Amritsar is a rapidly growing institution offering quality medical education and healthcare services. It is equipped with modern infrastructure and a dedicated faculty. The college offers a range of postgraduate programs with a focus on practical training and research. Admissions to SGRD requires a competitive NEET PG rank with specific cutoff varying by specialty and category. And now, if you're looking for tips to ensure success in NEET PG 2025, you should check out the links in the description because I have made detailed videos around that. I'm sure that you'll find them helpful. From exam strategies to exam resources, I've covered every prospect of NEET PG, so do check them out. Coming back to the topic, choosing the right medical college is a pivotal decision that influences your career trajectory. Consider factors like academic reputation, faculty expertise, research opportunities, and clinical exposure before making a choice for you. Ultimately, your choice should align with your personal goals, interests, and aspirations. Remember, cracking NEET PG 2025 is just the first step. Your hard work and dedication during postgraduate studies will shape your career as a doctor. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it and found it informative. And if you did, please press that like button and subscribe to our channel for more such content ahead. If you have any doubts regarding the video, please list them on the comments below. I'll be very happy answering that. I'm seeing you in the next one. Till then, bye.